In this video, we will be showing you how to install the Pure Fun 36-inch Ladybug Kids trampoline with handrail. In the box, you will find the manual, the plush face, the frame pad, the fold mat and frame, the safety hooks, the side handrails, the center handrail, and the legs and leg caps attached. Remove the safety hook from the fold mat and unfold. Fold the mat until it's completely flat. Remove all frame caps from the bottom of the frame. Install all legs onto the frame clockwise. Remove the leg caps shown to install the side handrails. Once installed, put the leg caps back into the leg to secure the handrails. Install the center handrail with the tip facing forward. Use the snap and click buttons on the sides to install. Once the trampoline is assembled, you may now place the frame pad on top of the frame itself. Locate the Velcro sections of the frame pad to align to the side handrails. To attach the plus face into the frame pad, attach both Velcro straps into one another. Tie all strings from the plush face to the closest leg. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information on this product, click on the link below.